Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can run your HTML file in your browser. So for running the HTML file on your browser you have to install the Visual Studio Code. So I have already installed. So if you didn't install it, so I'm going to show you that how you can install it. So you have to go to Google, then you have to search Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Okay, then you have to go to the download folder of the website, which is code.visualstudio.com/download. Then you have to download the Visual Studio Code, then required to your machine. So if you are a Windows user, you can download this one. If you are a Mac user, you can download this. So I hope you, after downloading it, you will able to install it in your machine. So I hope you download and install the Visual Studio Code successfully. So after installing it, so what you need to do, you have to create a folder where you wanna make your website on with HTML files. So for example, I'm gonna create a folder in my desktop. For example, I'm gonna give it the name HTML demo. Okay, then you have to open the folder, then you have to right click on your mouse, then you have to open with code, click on open with code. After installing the Visual Studio Code, you will see this option, open with code. Okay, click on here, then Visual Studio Code will open. Okay, as you can see, so we have opened our folder which we created. So for example, now and then you have to create your HTML file. For example, my HTML file, I'm gonna give it name index.html. Okay, then you have to write your HTML code, or if you have any HTML code, you can paste it here. Or if you want to make open the folder where your file has, then you can open from that location as well. So I have some HTML file, I'm gonna paste it. So this is my HTML file. Okay, so now how you can open it? So you can open it in two ways. So for example, if I minimize it, then if I open to this folder, as you can see, the index.html file has been created. So if I double click on this file, as you can see, my HTML code has been opened successfully, but this is open from my machine. So I'm going to open it in live in my browser. So for opening it live, you have to install an extension in your Visual Studio Code. So for installing extension, you have to click on here extension. So click on extension, then this type of a dialog box will open. Then you have to write here live server. Okay, then so this is extension which made by with big day. So you have to install it. As you already see, I have installed it successfully. So what you need to do, you have to search the extension, then you have to install it. So I hope you will successfully install it. So after installing it, so what you need to do, you have to click on the right button on your mouse on the HTML file, then you will see an option called open with live server. So after you installing the extension in your Visual Studio Code, you will see this option. So then right click on the mouse and you have to click on open with live server. Okay, then it will take some time. As you can see, it is opened live on my browser. So for example, if I edit something here, so for example, if I say it is not Austria, it is Australia. Okay, as you can see, I don't need to refresh this. As you can see, Australia has been reloaded successfully without refreshing the page. So if I want to edit something, so for example, if I make it Mexico, so if I want to change it in Argentina, so as you can see, it has successfully turned into Argentina. So this is how you can run your HTML file on your Visual Studio Code. So I hope this will help you as a beginner web developer. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.